I want to show you how to replace the batteries on your Kwikset 264 electronic door lock, okay? So to replace the batteries on this lock, what you want to do first is to go to the interior assembly. Now the next step is to remove the battery cover. This is the battery cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it, okay? So you can see this lock uses 4 AA batteries, okay? So you want to get your new batteries and take the old ones out, okay? So take them out this way. Okay, now get your new batteries and get them in, okay? So make sure you check the markings on the battery and in the battery pack and insert your new batteries properly, okay? Okay, that's it. And make sure you don't mix old batteries with new ones, okay? So get your battery cover and replace it. Okay, now let's go back to the keypad and test it. Okay, so that's how to replace the batteries on your Kwikset 264 electronic door lock, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.